Some people seem to effortlessly attract everything they desire into their lives. Whether it's wealth, love, success, or happiness, they make it look so easy. It's like they have a secret, some kind of hidden knowledge, that the rest of us are just missing out on. Well, today, I'm here to share with you that secret, the secret of manifestation, and how you can harness its incredible power to create the life of your dreams. First and foremost, it's important to understand that manifestation is not some mystical or magical process. It's grounded in the principles of energy, thought, and intention. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, and that includes our thoughts and feelings. The energy we put out into the world through our thoughts, words, and actions has a direct impact on what we attract into our lives. This is the foundation of manifestation. To start manifesting your desires, you must begin with a clear and focused intention. This means knowing exactly what you want and why you want it. Take some time to really think about your deepest desires. What is it that you truly want to manifest? Is it a loving relationship, financial abundance, a fulfilling career, or perhaps better health? Whatever it is, be specific and clear about your intention. Write it down, visualize it, and immerse yourself in the feeling of already having it. Once you have a clear intention, the next step is to align your thoughts and emotions with that intention. This is where the power of positive thinking and belief comes into play. You must truly believe that what you desire is already on its way to you. This means letting go of any doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. Trust in the process of manifestation and know that the universe is working in your favor. One of the most powerful tools for aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desires is affirmation. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly to reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. For example, if you want to manifest financial abundance, you might use affirmations like, "I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity," or "Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly." Repeat these affirmations daily and let them become a natural part of your thought process. In addition to affirmations, visualization is another powerful tool for manifestation. Visualization involves creating a mental image of your desired outcome and immersing yourself in the feeling of already having it. Close your eyes and imagine your life as if your desires have already manifested. What does it look like? How does it feel? Engage all of your senses and really experience the joy, excitement, and fulfillment of having what you desire. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful it will be. Gratitude is another essential component of the manifestation process. Being grateful for what you already have and for what you are in the process of manifesting sends a powerful signal to the universe that you are open and ready to receive. Start each day with a gratitude practice, acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in your life. This could be as simple as writing down 3 things you are grateful for each morning, or taking a few moments to reflect on your blessings before bed. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude will raise your vibrational frequency and attract more positive experiences into your life. Action is also a critical part of the manifestation process. While it's important to align your thoughts and emotions with your desires, you must also take inspired action toward your goals. This means being proactive and seizing opportunities that come your way. Trust your intuition and take steps, no matter how small, that move you closer to your desired outcome. The universe rewards those who take action and show commitment to their dreams. It's also important to be patient and persistent in your manifestation journey. Manifestation is not always instantaneous, and there may be challenges and obstacles along the way. Trust in the divine timing of the universe and know that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Stay committed to your intentions, continue to practice your affirmations, visualization, and gratitude, and remain open to receiving. Remember that setbacks are simply opportunities for growth and learning, and they often lead to even greater manifestations. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people can also enhance your manifestation efforts. The energy of those around you can have a significant impact on your own energy and beliefs. Seek out individuals who uplift and inspire you, and distance yourself from those who bring negativity and doubt into your life. Building a strong support system will help you stay focused on your goals and maintain a positive mindset. It's also important to take care of your physical and mental well-being as you embark on your manifestation journey. A healthy body and mind create a strong foundation for manifestation. Practice self-care, eat nourishing foods, exercise regularly, and take time to relax and recharge. Meditation and mindfulness practices can also help you stay centered and connected to your inner guidance. As you continue to practice the principles of manifestation, you'll begin to notice shifts in your life. Small synchronicities and signs will start to appear, guiding you toward your desires. Pay attention to these signs and trust that the universe is leading you in the right direction. The more you acknowledge and act on these signs, the stronger your manifestation abilities will become. Remember that you are a powerful creator, capable of manifesting anything you desire. The key is to stay focused on your intentions, believe in your ability to create your reality, and take inspired action. The secret of manifestation lies within you, and by tapping into this power, you can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. So let's take a moment to affirm and visualize your desires. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel the energy of the universe flowing through you, filling you with love, joy, and abundance. Picture your desires as if they have already manifested. See yourself living the life of your dreams, surrounded by everything you have ever wanted. Feel the emotions of gratitude, excitement, and fulfillment. Know that this reality is already yours, and it is on its way to you. Repeat after me. I am a powerful creator. I am worthy of all that I desire. I am a magnet for success, love, and abundance. I trust in the power of manifestation and the divine timing of the universe. I am open and ready to receive all the blessings that life has to offer. My dreams are becoming my reality, and I am grateful for the journey. I am in harmony with the universe, and I attract everything I need to fulfill my dreams. I am confident, capable, and deserving of all the good that comes my way. I am the architect of my life, and I build it with love, positivity, and intention. I am a master of manifestation, and I create my reality with ease and grace. As you continue to practice these affirmations and principles, you will unlock the full potential of manifestation. The universe is abundant and limitless, and you have the power to tap into this infinite energy to create the life you desire. Trust in yourself, believe in your dreams, and know that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Manifestation is a journey, and it requires dedication, faith, and persistence. Stay committed to your intentions, remain positive, and take inspired action. The more you practice, the stronger your manifestation abilities will become. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the incredible journey of creating the life of your dreams. Remember, the secret of manifestation is not about wishing for things to happen. It's about becoming the person who already has what you desire. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your highest vision. It's about trusting in the universe and believing in your own power. You are a powerful creator, and the life of your dreams is within your reach. Embrace the secret of manifestation and watch as your desires unfold before your very eyes. So alright, if this video is useful for you, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And which part of this video do you most like? Write down in the comment section.